Today I'm reviewing this company, Viori, that reached out to me. They are carbon neutral certified, they're vegan, and they're also fair trade certified. This right here is their starter kit. They're known for their shampoos and conditioners that come in bar form. So this right here is meant to stay in your shower. It looks like a little rice steamer, it's super cute, and your shampoo just kind of sits inside of there. This is how the shampoo comes. There's many scents to choose from. I chose the Hidden Waterfall scent. And this is actually what it looks like. And this bar right here is your shampoo. This is how the conditioning bar comes. And I do recommend you get the starter set just like this when you order for the first time. So come with me and we'll try it out. So I just got finished washing my hair. I shampooed and conditioned it with the Viori shampoo and the conditioning bar. And my hair feels amazing. It has no buildup, it has no residue, and it smells amazing too. There's actually no plastic used in any of their packaging, which I love. So if you guys are looking to reduce, reuse, and recycle, and you're also using for something that's ethically done, this is the product for you. Try it out.